again. I had to pay like $300 to get in here. Shut up. They might hear us. Shut your damn mouth. It's the Shut your damn mouth. Shut your damn Patricia, shut your damn mouth. Patricia, it's the fucking champagne.